Now I'm going to cover how to use new tables element type in dashboards. First, go to gohighlevel sub account, then click dashboard. Next, click edit icon, then click add new widget. In the add new widget, click table icon. Then select the contacts. Under the contacts, select contact with email. Then select column as per your requirement. Once you selected the column, just click apply button. You can add more settings by clicking advanced settings like order by, order limit, etc. Then click save. This is the way you can use the new table element type in dashboard. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.